with an inch. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
34, 30.
That would be awful.
Oh, you gained a couple extra inches there. Oh.
Stop jumping.
No, don't. You're good, man. Keep fighting her the way you're doing it. It's perfect. Kicking your butt, huh?
This is Chris's morning workout.
Yeah.
It's upper body day.
This is the best part of waking up, man, is arm day.
It's upper body day.
Freaking arm day.
Put it inside her mouth.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. Fucking nice fish, man. Open the tank. Dude, we might be trading up another one. Oh, help me. I can't lift
Hurry
it.
up. We got
it.
a big one then.
I can't lift it.
Yep, trading
Oh,
up.
my shoulder fucking
Trading
hurts.
up.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.